If you have a stock AR-15 and you like to replace the handguards, this video I'm going to show you a $15 tool that's going to make your life so much easier. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So before we get started with this video, I'd like to welcome a new sponsor to the channel, the folks at Sportsman's Guide. Sportsman's Guide is like your one-stop shop for everything related to camping, survival, and general preparedness. They sell everything from firearms to ammunition to clothing to military surplus to camping gear to you name it. So if you're looking for some great prices on camping or tactical or military surplus or any other gear, be sure and check out the folks at Sportsman's Guide and tell them thanks for sponsoring the channel. So a few years ago, I bought my first AR-15 from Palmetto State Armory, and it's just it was just a standard AR-15 with a standard handguard on it. And you may recall a few years ago I made a video about installing this Picatinny rail on it, and I fought and wrestled and grunted and all kinds of stuff to get these handguards off of here, because this thing called a delta ring right here basically retains the two-piece handguard some spring pressure, and it's got a spring in it. So because I wanted a little more versatility with this thing, I decided to put a different handguard on it, and so I got a Midwest Industries two-piece handguard that's got a lot of Picatinny stuff on it. And I bought this Wheeler AR-15 handguard removal tool. Really simple to use. This is going to be a quick video, but if you've been struggling with a standard AR-15 handguard and fighting that delta ring, I think this video will really help you. So let me take you on down to the old tabletop and we'll get this thing going. Okay, so here's the Midwest Industries two-piece handguard I want to put on. It features Picatinny rails all the way around and QD slots on front and back of both sides, and it's a two-piece rail, right? So here's the delta ring, and it is stinking stiff. So the way this tool works is very simple. You just put it around, hook it in the magazine well under here, squeeze it against the delta ring, and then just pull it back, and you can see the bottom just fell right out and the top lifts right off. And you got your gas tube here and your barrel there. And the process is just reversed to put any two-piece rail on it. This is the carbine length rail. So you want to start with the top piece. This one's got this little extension here to line up with the existing Picatinny rail. So same thing, just get on there, squeeze it, pull it back all the way. Put the front in first, and then the back snaps in, and there you go. And then, I don't know if we got that in right or not. Let me see. Got to be okay. Good. So there we go. Now we just take the bottom and look at your numbers and make sure the numbers are lined up accordingly. And it says B for bottom, the T is for the top, so there's no confusion there. Pull it back again. So there you go. Basically, we turn this into this using this. That's the Wheeler Delta Series Delta Ring handguard removal tool. I finally broke down and bought this. I think it's like 15 bucks. I'm very, very glad that I did. So there'll be a link to this in the description below, and I'll go ahead and put one in for the Midwest Industries also, because they rock. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and every Saturday, very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there, and if you're not subscribed, if you click right down there in the corner, be sure and click that little notification bell. You won't miss a single video. Don't forget to check out all the channel sponsors in the description below. Some of them have discount codes, and all of them are companies that I know and trust. So I appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.